Understanding how ransomware infects a network is crucial to ensuring that your company does not become the next victim of an attack. Post-infection, the ransomware spreads to other machines or encrypts the shared files on the network. In many cases, it can spread across boundaries to infect supply chains, customers, and other affiliated organizations. The best answer to solving the conundrum of ransomware lies in prevention more than a cure. So just how does this devastating malware commonly infect devices? Breaches via phishing and social engineering. The most common method for hackers to infect a company's computers with ransomware is through phishing emails. As they become increasingly targeted, personalized and specific information is used to create emails designed to acquire trust and mislead potential victims into opening attachments or clicking on files or links to download malicious PDFs and other document files. Files can take the form of standard formats like Microsoft Office files, PDFs, or JavaScript. Clicking on these malicious files or enabling macros will allow the file to execute, starting the process of encrypting data on the victim's computer. Infection through compromised websites. Not all ransomware attacks are delivered via email. Compromised websites are common places to insert malicious code. All it takes is for a victim to unknowingly visit the compromised site. The compromised site will then reroute to a page that prompts users to download a newer version of some software, perhaps a web browser, plugin, or a media player. If the site has been designed to deliver ransomware, the malware is either activated directly or more commonly can run an installer that downloads and installs the ransomware. Exploit kits that can deliver custom malware. Angler, Neutrino, and Nuclear are some of the exploit kits that have been widely used in ransomware attacks. These frameworks are a type of toolkit with pre-written exploits that target vulnerabilities in browser plugins like Adobe Flash Player and Java. Microsoft's Internet Explorer and Microsoft Silverlight are also common targets. Ransomware strains like Locky and CryptoWall have been known to be delivered through exploit kits on compromised websites and through malvertising campaigns. Malware-infected files and application downloads. Any file or application that can be downloaded can easily be used for ransomware. Cracked software on file-sharing sites are also breeding grounds for malware infections. Recent cases of MBR Locker took this route. Hackers can also exploit legitimate websites to deliver an infected executable. All it takes is the victim downloading the file or application, and then the ransomware is delivered. You know, as I think about the dangers that exist online, not unlike the subjects we learned about in this video, I know I feel a lot better having an anti-malware program like Spy Hunter installed in my PC, providing me the protection I need against malware, and I think you should too. Spy Hunter 5's strongest features are found in its malware repair capabilities. Spy Hunter 5's remediation algorithms dive deep into your system to remove and address complex malware issues affecting PCs today. While many anti-malware products only flag and quarantine malware and ultimately fail to fully remediate the root problem, the Spy Hunter 5 remediation algorithm detects, quarantines, and programmatically repairs malware problems on your PC. Spy Hunter 5 is a powerful PC utility that repairs malware threats in many cases where other competing anti-malware and antivirus programs may fail. To detect and remove malware for free, go to enigmasoftware.com and download Spy Hunter today. Thanks for watching.